Looking for garage heater installation and replacement in Strathcona County? At Kingstree Plumbing, we know how crucial it is to keep your garage warm and functional, especially during Alberta's freezing winters. Our team specialises in garage heater installation and replacement, offering expert solutions for both natural gas and electric garage heaters. Whether you need a brand new installation or an upgrade, we ensure efficient, reliable heating tailored to your space. In Strathcona County, cold temperatures can make your garage uncomfortable and inefficient. That's why we provide professional installations designed for maximum energy savings and long-term performance. With Kingstree Plumbing, you get expert service, high-quality equipment, and a hassle-free installation, delivered by a team that understands local heating needs. Keep watching to see why homeowners in Strathcona County trust Kingstree Plumbing for their garage heater installation and replacement.